Hello guys, welcome back once again. And in this video, we are going to see about how to create a simple web server in Node.js. Uh, as everyone knows, Node.js is a server-side JavaScript and mostly used for web-based developments. And with the help of core module HTTP, we can easily create a server. And I have a new project created, and I also have generated the package.json file. If you are not aware of generating a package.json file, you can just refer my previous videos where you can create package.json file with the help of npm init. Okay, now first we will install the http module. Npm install http. So npm install command will install this particular http module. Find the module code installed. Now, yeah, as you see, the node module http has been installed. Okay, now let us include a http module where http equal to require http. So it's so simple. You just wanted to invoke the create server method. http dot create server on request is a callback whenever some request is being made to the server. On request, so each server has to listen to some port, right? Let me ask my server to listen to 8080. So basically this port should be free, so that the server can listen to that particular port. Let me put the log as console.log. Server is up and running on 8080. Now let me create my callback function on request. So the callback function accepts two parameters. One is request and the response. Let us print what the request being requested by the user. Console.log requested URL dot URL. Yeah. So next, let us send some response for this particular request. So response dot writeHead accepts response dot writeHead is something we can say is in status codes. So it has three parameters, and which is one is mandatory status code. It can be 200, which is everything is okay, and we have something called 404 not found, and 500 something is wrong with the server. And two optional parameters, one is the status description and the headers. Let me send some headers, and here headers is an object. Let me say content type as store plain. Yeah. So let me send some response as response dot write hello, welcome to Node.js tutorial. So there is something called response.end, which means so we have done with this particular request and we have sent all the responses to the client back. So that's it. Now we have created the server and we asked it to listen to the port 8080, and we also have a function called back for each request. Now let us quickly run the application node. So now you can see server is up and running in 8080. Since we are working on a local system, it's actually local host 8080. Yeah, that's it. So here you can see the response, and you can see two URLs being requested. One is as favicon and one is a blank. So the reason is favicon is something that I can say over here in my dashboard. See, this YouTube icon is a favicon which will be requested by the browser by default. So with this fewer number of steps we can create a simple web server with Node.js. And in the next video we're going to see about the most popular framework, which is nothing but the Express, which is mostly used for web application development. So thank you guys. Wait for my next video and just like and subscribe.